how to fix Wi-Fi not available on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to do some quick fixes if your Wi-Fi is not available or not showing up. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, we need to go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi icon located in your taskbar. Then you need to simply go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you need to simply click on it to turn it on again, and sometimes this might help you resolve the issue. But if the issue still persists, you need to simply go ahead and click on that again, and you need to ensure that airplane mode is toggled off. If you have turned on airplane mode mistakenly, the issue might be there, so you need to simply go ahead and turn off airplane mode. Once you have done that, we'll head over to the solution number 3. In order to do that, we need to go to our search icon, and from here you need to simply go ahead and click on control panel. Now that you are here, you need to click on network and internet. Now from here, you need to simply go ahead and click on network and sharing center. And here you can see an option that says change adapter settings. Now, once you are here, you can see an option that says Wi-Fi. You need to simply right click on it and then you need to go ahead and disable it. Once you have disabled it, as you can see that the Wi-Fi is now turned off, you need to simply go ahead and enable it again. Now, once you have done that, go to search option over here again, and from here you need to go to device manager. Now that you're in the device manager, you need to go ahead and expand network adapters, and once you find your network adapters, you need to right click on it, and from here you need to click on disable device. Then you need to click on yes, and once you have done that, you need to right click on it again, and then you need to click on enable device. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.